How to register to Bank of Scotland online banking services. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to register to your online banking services for Bank of Scotland, first of all open any of your preferred browser. Search for Bank of Scotland and tap on the first link, which is the official website. Tapping on it should take you to another page. Now tap on this login button, which is on the top right. That should take you to login portal. From there, you should see an option called as Register for Internet Banking or Register. Tap on it. Tapping on it should take you to another page whereby you can register with current account, credit account, share dealing account and much more. Tap on Register now and fulfill the details. This includes step 1 of personal information, second of account information and third is verification. Once all of this is verified, you should be successfully registered on Bank of Scotland online services. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.